Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off after the day, what I wore, you get a week of outfits, you get lots of puppy, PA weather, life. It's a busy week. So I'm so happy you're here. Please stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Loki running around. We also have Dexter and Willie, and of course Harvey the kitty. Dexter. And here, Willie, I think you'll see here soon. You come in, there you go, say hi. There's Willie. All right, so Sunday, it's a beautiful day out. 68, getting up to 74. That we are supposed to see some rain today, but it feels really nice. There's some wind is kicking up. So I don't know that it's going to be the perfect day that yesterday was. Yesterday was a beautiful day for my very last pool day. I decided to call it. My friend came over and we had a really nice, beautiful last pool day. So I was really glad to squeeze that one in. But I do think my time has come to an end. Even today, it feels really nice outside, but like I said, there is supposed to be some rain. It's a bit windy. So we'll be cleaning up the outside here over the next few weeks. Not sure how much longer I'll be able to come outside. Fall is here. Okay, for outfit of the day today, I received my Wyatt and Xena tee, so I put it on because I wanted to show it to you. I mentioned my merch. Released last week, so excited about it, and I'm starting to add more and more into the catalog, but please go check it out for me. The link is going to be down below. I did, so I ordered this as a sample because I like to see what they look like before I actually put them in my store. Sometimes I can do that, sometimes they just don't come fast enough. And I realized how low this was, so if you order the new one, it's going to move up a little bit. And also I added underneath Wyatt and Xena, always remembered, or never forgotten actually, never forgotten. So you will see those changes as well. I do have the little Box of Happy logo in the back. And for my bottom, I have on Vigoss denim shorts, still hanging on to the shorts and flip-flops because it's such a warm day today. So my Sanuks that do have a couple puppy bites out of them, you'll see. And my belt is from Kloth, and that's my outfit today. I didn't even put any jewelry on, and as I'm talking to you, Dexter's trying to eat my furniture, so I guess we're gonna have to go take care of that. I'll see you tomorrow for another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. First thing in the morning, 47 degrees, only getting up to 57 today. I am off. I need to be in the office here for all day meetings. And for my outfit, I chose hidden denim from Wantable, a Michael Stars long sleeve tee, and then how about this cute Liverpool denim jean jacket? It's actually a jean jacket in this black with the fun floral. My JB stylist had said, oh, I already sent your box, but I thought you might like this jacket. Do you want me to send it to you? And I said, absolutely. And I love it. It's got stretch. It's awesome. And then for shoes, I'm keeping it easy. I have these Vince Camuto. Got them last year. And my bracelet stack. Necklace my husband got me and my Ana Luisa necklace. And I think we're off. All right. All the dogs are being a little crazy this morning. Loki escaped. He still needs to go back in with my husband. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. I can't believe it's only Tuesday. Yesterday felt like several days. Even my team members, we were talking, it felt like Wednesday. So it was a long Monday for some reason. And it is, let's see, 41 degrees outside, getting up to 67, so it's going to be a pretty day outside. And for my outfit today, I chose a pair of cut from the cloth denim that I got in a JB Stylebox. Paired it with this sweater, cardigan you may remember from my Anthropologie haul. For shoes, how about these? I got in a Stitch Fix by Dolce Vita. I love these, love so much. And then my jewelry is the exact same as yesterday. So no changes to that. All right, so you're my first people I have talked to today. I got to try to get myself ready for another busy day. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. It is 47 degrees outside, getting up to 56 today. Yesterday was pretty nice. When I came out late from work, it was still nice and warm. It was I think it was a beautiful day. Today, it's looking the same. So, but it's pool closing day back home. So I'm a little sad. It's like, hits me right in the heart. But yeah, it's time. It's time. Lots of leaves. Lots of leaves are starting to fall now. For my outfit today, I have on a pair of Paige denim that I got from Anthropologie during one of their pant sales. So I got them from Anthropologie, paired with just a basic long sleeve tee from the Loft. I have on a belt from Evereve, and then this adorable jacket that I got in a Stitch Fix. This one is from Z Supply, so soft and yummy in the faux suede. And then for some pattern, I added these shoes. They're by Dolce Vita, little kitten heel, and the same jewelry as I have been wearing. My bracelet stack, the necklace my husband got me, and my Ana Luisa necklace, and I'm ready for the day. All right, I gotta get to it, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. 44 degrees out, getting up to 57. The pool officially closed yesterday. Woo. So I have now accepted that fall is here. Like I had a choice, right? But obviously the temperatures have cooled. So we're not in that nice 70s that we were having like up till Sunday, through Sunday of this week. So definitely looks like temperatures are coming down and fall has hit PA. Let's see, for my outfit today, I have on Armoire pieces. I have the Armoire Paige coated pant that I absolutely love. I don't think you guys have seen that video yet, but it's coming up. So it's a really, really good one. So these coated pants, which I just might have to keep. My top is by Lilla P. It's just a little sweater tank, also from Armoire. Then I put on one of my Cabi jackets. This is one of my original, when I first started getting Cabi, this was one of the first pieces I love, love, love. And then, how about these cute little shoes? They are from Steve Madden, and I believe I got them during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I like them because they're meshy. My jewelry's all the same. And I get to go home tonight. I go home for tonight. I'll be home Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I leave again Monday, so it'll be a suitcase swap. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, and it is so fall outside. It's so fall. Leaves are changed. It's 48 degrees out. It's cold. It's yucky. It's fall. The puppers are outside running around. They're so happy. Let's see, a couple things posted this week we didn't get a chance to cover. My Stitch Fix posted, I think that was on Monday. And I ended up keeping the silver jeans, the boots, the Dolce Vita boots. I did end up keeping those. I kept the cardigan, the chunky cardigan with the gold buttons. I kept the black cut from the Kloth, and I kept the Liverpool blazer that was that nice, yummy, soft, like velvety like consistency, so it felt really nice on. I did not keep the DL 1961 biker jacket. I thought it was really nice, but I own other similar leather jackets that I like a little bit better. So the cut, I think, I didn't love as much as some of the ones I already owned. So I didn't end up keeping that one, although I liked it. And I did not keep the Steve Madden dress. There was just something about it. I felt like I wouldn't reach for it that much. And then I didn't keep the smock top, but I did keep 5. I thought it was a great, great box. She did such a nice job. And then Wednesday, my Wantable birthday themed edit arrived. And I ended up keeping, or at least I shared it. I kept 3 items out of that. Of course, kept that vegan leather midi skirt. So good. I kept the high-rise cuff wide leg jeans by the Artemis Vintage. And then I kept the Dear John denim crop jacket in the leopard, but I did not keep the matching pants. To me, it was just really too much. So those were my keepers. You're all caught up now. And for today's outfit, I have on Front Door Fashion denim. These were by Level 99. I have on a Front Door Fashion belt that I wore it yesterday too. I have on a marine layer sweater that I got from Stitch Fix. For shoes, these cute Seychelles. Got them last year. And then my necklace is by Cabi. That's my outfit today. All right, so for a funny dog story, the puppers got neutered on Monday, and they got chipped as well. And also the pool closed this week, as I already told you. So here is Loki, very curious about the pool, but I tried to zoom in on his little legs. He looks like a little poodle because he got his legs shaved the whole way around. So the rest of the fur is all bunching around it, and he has this strip where there's just no fur. They took it all off. They all are doing really, really well though now, so they're on the mend. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is a sunshiny day, but cool, only 48 degrees outside. For my final outfit this week, I have on a Lilla P pants from Anthropologie, paired with a Evereve top from Trendsend I've had for a long time with the little thumb holes. I grabbed my Vince Camuto shoes. I have a loft belt on. And then I did grab my leather jacket, goes outside and it's chilly. This is by All Saints. Got it last year during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Love it. And for jewelry, I have on an Ana Luisa necklace. That's pretty much it. And I think that's my outfit. My Armoire posted today such a great collection. I really love this for a rental service. It is amazing. They have such high-end pieces. They have a new in trends you can try. They have maternity wear. They have formal events like black tie events items. They also have athleisure. They have it all. So it's so worth it to try some of these fun pieces. I thought I picked some good ones in this last one. If you didn't get a chance to check it out, please do. And I will put all of my outfits down below. If I can link to an item, I definitely will. Some come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which box. And all those links are down below too. I cannot wait to hear what your favorite was this week. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.